What's up everyone? Today I'm at Magic Kingdom to do something I've never done before. This is the first time for me. Let's go inside and check it out. But before we begin, we publish theme park videos on this channel all the time. So hit that subscribe button and that bell notification button so you'll know when another video is ready for you to view. So there's not many things that can get me into the Magic Kingdom. There's two main draws for the Magic Kingdom for me. That would be Space Mountain and Big Thunder Mountain. A third thing, maybe Splash Mountain, but really those two things. I know a lot of people like the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. Not really my thing. It's popular, but that's not going to get me into the park. But today I'm here for a very special reason, the Super Bowl parade. The Kansas City Chiefs won the Super Bowl. So we're here to celebrate with them, even though I'm a Dolphins fan. And look at this setup here. I have no doubt this is for the Super Bowl parade. Hey, since we're here, why not a Tron update? And one of the best ways to check on Tron, let's hop on Goofy's Barnstormer. And wow, it has been a long time since I've been here. This whole like square block structure was not here last time I was here, and I was not expecting this. I'll have to take another look at the concept art, but this whole big square building is a surprise to me. But I tell you what is looking cool, this track, this long swooping track. Now we're about to step onto this Barnstormer ride, and I hate that I have to ride this kiddie coaster so much just to report on Tron, because the Tron coaster is something I'm really looking forward to. That is something that will get me into this park, and you can trust me, I will do since they're both motorbike type of rides, motorcycle rides, I will do Hagrid's motorbike versus Tron once it's all completed. That's going to be a very interesting video to see who wins that, because we know how much fun Hagrid's is. Now, we have a little bit of an idea about what this Tron's going to be like, because they do have it overseas. So I don't think we're going to have any big surprises with the ride, but I've never been on it, and I'm really looking forward to how this coaster rides, how it really feels. And now, a POV of the Barnstormer, I think with natural sound. That question I asked a few videos back, it seems like most people like it without the music. They prefer just the natural sounds of the ride, so that's what we'll do. And that's that. I do believe somewhere in the park are the actual Tron motorcycles, so I think maybe in Tomorrowland, let's pop over there and see if they're there. Oh, thank goodness they are still here near the Tomorrowland Light and Power Company. That's the gift shop for Space Mountain. They have two Lightcycles here, and they look awesome. I used to have a motorbike, or a motorcycle. I'm so used to saying motorbike now, but when I was younger, I did have a Honda Interceptor motorcycle, so I really love the feeling of being on a bike again. This is gonna be really fun. This is gonna give Hagrid's a run for its money. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to try this one out and report back to you guys which one I like better. You know, it's just going to be a matter of opinion which one you like better, Hagrid's or Tron. They're both going to be a lot of fun. I'll know better once I go for a ride. Well, I have 1 hour until the parade. Maybe I should go find a spot. Now, there's not really going to be a lot to this Super Bowl parade. I believe it's just going to be the MVP of the game in a car leading the regular parade. But it's something cool, something I've never done before. I'm so used to the commercials of, you just won the Super Bowl. What are you doing next? I'm going to Disney World. I'm so used to those commercials. It'll just be a neat experience to finally see the Super Bowl MVP in the actual Super Bowl parade here at Disney World, or technically Magic Kingdom. And by rule, we have to check on the wait time for the mine train, which is 135 minutes. I don't quite get the popularity of this attraction. I mean, it is a good family coaster, but as far as being in Magic Kingdom, I'd much rather go on Space Mountain or Big Thunder Mountain. It is one smooth ride though. I do have the feeling though, once Tron opens, I think Tron will be the hot ticket here. Tron will be the hard to get fast pass and will have longer wait times than Mine Train. I think so. We'll see. I mean, that family element of Mine Train could still factor in a lot though. And now I have about 50 minutes until the parade, but I also have a fast pass for Peter Pan's flight, a very hard to get fast pass. What to do, what to do. I'm opting for the parade. I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to pick a spot where I can see the MVP, yet once he passes, then I can have easy access to my Peter Pan attraction for that Peter Pan Fast Pass. Well, that was one shot at the beginning of the parade. I'm going to move and see if we can catch another angle of this. It might work. I might get the second angle.
Hi, Patrick, and welcome to Walt Disney World Resort in Florida. How about these amazing fans?
Awesome, man. Being here is special. I appreciate everybody that came out and supported us all season long.
That's awesome. Well, as you know, we're broadcasting live on the Disney World audience all over the world. What do you have to say to those fans?
Walkway's closed, guys. Walkway's closed. Yeah, but we love you. We love you. Your support is amazing. Chiefs Kingdom is amazing. And we got it. We brought it home. Got the American trophy.
I understand about 7 years ago you tweeted out how amazing it would be to say the words, "I'm going to Disney World." And you did. How does that feel?
It's amazing. I couldn't even think about how amazing this is to be here, to be in this place in front of all these people and all these fans. It's awesome, and I'm just glad to be here.
Awesome. Thank you. All right, thank you. We're going to let the celebration break. Continue. Have a great time.
Let's get it.
Well, there you go, guys. A short little video of the Super Bowl parade. And for me, too, something I've never done before. When you're here at a theme park as much as I am, I love doing new things, having those new experiences. And I got one today, so I'm happy. And as always, don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun. Thanks for watching Rick's Flix. And now, it's time to relax.